Hello, shoppers. Are you looking for an easier and faster way to find products and make purchases on Amazon? Say hello to Rufus, Amazon's newest artificial intelligence shopping assistant. Rufus is an AI bot designed to understand natural language and help customers find and buy items more efficiently. With Rufus, you can have a conversation to describe what you want to purchase instead of having to search and filter through millions of products. Let's see Rufus in action. When you open the Amazon app or website, you'll see a chat icon in the bottom right corner. Click on it and Rufus will greet you.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Rufus. I'm looking for a new 4K TV under $500.
Sure thing. Could you please specify the size, brand preferences, and any other features you're looking for?
Once Rufus understands what you need, he'll show you a personalized selection of products matching your criteria. When you see an item you like, you can ask Rufus questions about it or request he adds it to your cart. Rufus can explain product details, read reviews, compare models, and more. If you're ready to purchase, Rufus can complete the transaction for you. Rufus makes finding and buying products on Amazon smoother than ever. He learns your preferences over time to make better recommendations. You can even engage in casual conversation with him. Amazon will continue adding features to Rufus, such as voice shopping capabilities. But even now, Rufus can save you time, simplify your searches, and help you make confident purchase decisions. Give Rufus a try on your next Amazon shopping trip. Just open the app or website and click on the chat icon to start a conversation. Rufus is ready to help you find exactly what you need. So what do you think? Rufus is an exciting new AI assistant from Amazon aimed at improving the online shopping experience. Let me know if you have any other questions.